These two did not have the inner covers because I thought I was going to get the feeders for them when I picked them up last week. So the feeders came in. Because of the rain, I didn't get back out here just to put the covers on. The rain was that bad. So now, this one looks good. They're calm. They're really calm compared to the other one. So I'm gonna place the feeder, the syrup feeder on top. I inspected it at home and everything looks good. The fence partition is tight so they can't get out as they did in one of the other ones. So no smoker here. I just want to make sure I don't roll anybody. Nice and easy. I'm gonna have to brush a couple of folks off. Okay, that's it. The feeder is on. The top is clear. Clear of the girls. I'm gonna put this on partially and leave enough room so I can put the syrup in without spilling it. I spilled some of the syrup on the other one, so try to do this so nobody gets upset. Well, any more so anyway. And I'm probably gonna have to come back and fill up the Boardman feeder up front. I only bought one jug with me. I have to go back to the car and get the other. So all of the syrup goes into the top feeder. I'm not filling it up completely. We'll do another inspection in a week and just see how they're taking it. So I'll leave the feeder here right now. It's empty, but I'll come back later with the other jar. This one did not slide off its perch, so it's looking a lot better. The ground is clay and loam. It's really soft, and the stakes that I have in are not that tall. They don't go in that deep. In the Bravo group, I've got the really long ones, so I need to find the longest stakes possible, or maybe even use the fence poles, get the shorter ones and just pound those in, because the winds can get up pretty high around here. Storms get pretty fierce for a short period of time, so I am not going to take any chances with the girls on this one. All right, that's it. I'll be back later to fill up the front, but not as much bird comb on the very top. And with the feeder, I don't need the top cover. At least all the reading and questions I've been told, you don't need the top cover for it. So, because technically the bees can't get out anyway, unless there's a break in that inner fence line, which there was over on the other side, but I think we're good. This is the Charlie group, and we're gonna head over to the Bravo group and get some work done in Bravo 1.